The Ass in the Lion's Skin.
Once upon a time, an ass was roaming around in a forest. While he was walking, he saw a lion's skin left in the forest by a hunter. The ass was intrigued, and he dressed himself in it. He amused himself by hiding in a thicket and rushing out suddenly at the animals who passed that way. All the animals took to their heels the moment they saw him. He did the same again and again and again. The ass was so pleased to see the animals running away from him, just as if he were King Lion himself, that he could not keep from expressing his delight by a loud, harsh bray. The fox, who ran with the rest, stopped short as soon as he heard the voice. Approaching the ass, he said with a laugh, "If you had kept your mouth shut, you might have frightened me too. But you gave yourself away with that silly bray. Fine clothes may disguise, but silly words will disclose a fool." The fox then informed all the animals, who promptly came to beat the donkey out of his senses.